Hello, Keymaster here. Yeah, it's a long time since I made the last video, but now I'm back and I want to pick a master lock. This is a master lock number 2250D. It's made for the European market and it has a security rating of 7 out of 10. It's a 5-pin lock. Here's the key with some nice bitting. Works fine. It's locked. So let's try to pick it. I use top of the keyway tensioning. And as you can see, the keyway is wide open, so I can use the Sparrow's Matador. Start from the front. Let's see, here's the first pin. Yeah. Nice click from pin 1, 2, click, 3, 4. I think I've overset. The first pin already. Let's see. Oh, there was a click. Pin 2. No, pin 2 is not binding. 3. Okay, now there was a nice click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and nothing. So it's very easy to overset a pin, I think. Yeah, nice click from 1. I think it has only standard pins. Three, 4, and 5, and it's open. Yeah. Yeah, it was pretty easy. So, thank you for watching. Have a nice day and bye.